Welcome back to our Jars at Home series. This is episode 4 and we are baking Karachi biscuits today. These crumbly, buttery biscuits are a blend of fruity flavors and nuts, perfect for storing in jars for a quick treat anytime. Let's get into the recipe so you can add these to your jar collection. Let's start by creaming together 1/3 cup of softened butter and half cup of powdered sugar. Blend them well until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is key for getting that light and airy texture in our biscuits. Using a hand mixer on medium speed, beat until the mixture is pale yellow and light and fluffy. Now use a spatula to scrape the sides of the ball. Next, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now mix everything well together. Bring the mixture together to form a soft dough by using your hands. If you feel that the mixture is a bit dry, you can add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches the perfect consistency. Do not add more than 2 tablespoons of milk into the mixture, otherwise the dough will become extremely soft. If the dough will be too soft, biscuits will not be crunchy after baking. Next, it's time to add the chopped nuts of your choice. I am adding chopped pistachios, almonds and cashews. You can add any nuts of your choice to this mixture. Once the dough is ready, transfer it to a piece of cling wrap. Shape the dough into a log and wrap it tightly. After wrapping, let the dough chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Chilling actually helps the biscuits keep their shape while baking and also enhances their flavor. After chilling for 30 minutes, remove the dough from the refrigerator. Slice the dough into even squares about 1/4 inch thick. Place these on a lined baking tray spaced slightly apart from each other. Before baking, press few of the reserved chopped nuts gently on top of each biscuit. This adds extra crunch to the biscuits. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees and bake the biscuits for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges turn golden. Once they are done baking, let the biscuits cool completely on a rack before storing them in a jar. And there you have it, crumbly, colorful Karachi biscuits to enjoy anytime with your tea. And thanks for joining us for the episode 4 of Jars at Home series. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and be sure to check out our previous episodes for more delicious jar-worthy recipes. Bye bye.